What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today, I'm actually excited. This is one of those few times that I will do something like this. Honestly, I think it's going to be a very fun video. I'm actually on my way to Royce City, where I'm going to be meeting another detailer, and we're going to be tackling on a very new process, or this is something new I've never done. And honestly, this is why I think it's going to be a fun video, because I've never done this. This detailer we're going to be with has never done this. But we said yes to a project, right? It's going to be fun. So I got my Barney bag all set up, and we are off to Royce City. And I can't wait to show you who I'm working with and the project that we're going to be doing. And as we're heading to this appointment, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. I'm going to keep it very honest. I haven't gotten a reply back from the one-on-one consultation. And I think a lot of you guys are hoping and praying, well, not everybody, but the haters that saw that video. Because definitely I had some negative feedback on it, and a lot of people said, man, as soon as he said he had a checkup with upper management with his wife, you should have already known you didn't get that sale. Honestly, I'm a firm believer in the patience game, right? I honestly believe that, one, this is not a $200 package. This isn't something that a customer will quickly say, yes, let's do it, right? Because it's a lot of money. So I totally understand and get when customers tell me, you know, I got to talk to my wife and make sure that this is, you know, within our financial boundaries, that we are able to do this, right? And that's totally okay with me. I include myself in that as well. Sometimes there's things that, you know, I'm like, ooh, I don't know about this. It's a lot of money, right? Let me talk to my wife, because the last thing I want to do is spend money and then get in trouble, right? It's part of marriage. So a lot of people in my inboxes were saying, like, you're not going to get that job. You should have known that as soon as you gave him the price and you told the customer, you know, and he said he had to check up with his wife, you should have already known that was not a sell. But I am still crossing my fingers, guys, that I get this job. I think I will. You know, I'm very optimistic, and I believe in what I presented. So I just got to stay positive. I got to stay patient. But in the meanwhile, you know, I'm getting blessed with other jobs. It's not like I'm depending on this job. So I'm okay. I know that in due time, this customer is going to reach out, whether if it's for just the interior, whether if it is for a maintenance service. I believe I will obtain I will get his business, right? So I'll keep you guys updated on that, because I know a lot of the haters are waiting to just glorify, to just be excited about someone else's failure. But I'm gonna keep you guys waiting on that one, and if I don't get it, I'll let you guys know as well. First off, it's a pleasure meeting Mr. Nacho. I've seen him on Instagram, Facebook. Some of you guys have seen him live on other sources. So it's been fun, obviously, getting to know him. And of course, when I watch like the Instagram lives, I'm like, oh shoot, that's Nacho. And he actually services like the area where I live, so I'm always looking for him when I'm in the area driving. But anyways, the true reason why we're here today, and the main reason of this video is, today you and I are going to learn about leather restoration. This is something I've never done. I've never had the courage to do, but today we're gonna put that to the side. How long have you been doing this, Nacho? Leather restoration.
A total of never. Never.
So, we've never done this. These are my favorite, especially when we're working. Ulta, any women's supply store.
Yeah, my wife goes Ulta all the time.
Yeah, so these
how
are
cool
perfect.
is that?
So
look at that, guys. That is going to be great to get in and actually ream out that perforated hole, get all the stuff.
Get all that gunk off. So these are for you. I got a bunch.
Thank you, bro.
So that is kind of what I have in my bag. It was kind of more like, Nacho, you bring your stuff, I bring my stuff, and hopefully we find something that it's gonna work. Honestly, I'm very honest. We're
going blind.
We're going blind.
Yeah.
We are winging this. All right, guys. So it is now time to start the dyeing process, right? For this, obviously, we're using the Seat Doctor. This is a cream color. This is, it says Lexus as well. This is an 8-ounce product, which is a lot. But obviously, Nacho has extra in case we nail this. Hey, he can now start doing more, right? And we're gonna be using the Prevail sprayer. One of the things about this one is obviously it has this glass bottle, and then all you do is you're gonna just open it, and then you're gonna put the paint in here, and then obviously you're just gonna be spraying the product onto there. Preferably you want to fan it so it's a very light mist, like you're painting, but not too heavy, because you're going to be doing a couple coats on this, and I think it should turn out pretty well.
Okay.
And if you can't see us over, you can hear us because these mics are on.
Oh, isn't it? Oh, we're all whispering. And you got me mic'd up, dude.
Nacho forgets he's mic'd up. All right, so how are we gonna do this, guys? The goal, don't paint the whole car.
Don't do it yet. I feel that that's still gonna be wet.
Yeah,
discoloration.
So let's go ahead and dry it up. How long have you been doing home base detail?
2 years now.
2 years.
2 years.
And in your business,
Yeah.
first off, is this community, is this HOA, or is it like you can?
It's HOA.
For those who don't know what HOA is, that means if you're in an HOA community, that means you can't do anything sometimes. There's restrictions. HOA just keeps your community looking pretty well. Have you ever had any issues working here?
No issues at all. No,
Okay.
because actually I'm on the community pages.
Okay.
So that's where I do a lot of my advertising.
Okay.
In the community page. So most of my work that I get is from the community, and it's from customers' feedback.
Okay.
So business, number one, if you're looking to create business, is definitely going to be a word of mouth.
Okay.
That's going to be your number one. I don't care. You don't have to pay for this or pay for that. If you are someone who is in your community and you advertise in your community, I have a Not Your Man sign that sits out there.
Okay.
I do some community events within the neighborhood.
Okay.
I support the schools, and I go to things. So people get to know me. And once they get to know who you are and they know what you do, and then they look at the feedback that's given, whether it be on your page or, by customers face to face.
Okay.
They didn't say, hey, I want to try that. Let me try your services.
Okay. So I'm assuming that customers just drop off their cars and you work on them?
Yeah. So what I do is once I book the call, I have the customer come by. They'll drop the car off with me. Now, sometimes people don't have two people to physically drop the car off and ride them back home. So I provide a drop-off pickup service.
Okay.
Where they can drop their vehicle off, and once I'm done the vehicle, I'll go pick them up.
Okay.
Or drop it off there, depending on how far they are from me. Because once it's summertime or it's nice outside, I don't mind walking if I need to. But that's typically what I do. I offer up drop-off pickup service for them. And as long as they're within a certain range of my house, I have no problem doing that.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Cool.
I'm kind of limited to a certain area, but that's the area that I feel most comfortable in.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. What do you think now?
I think it's... I just don't like that. Do you like that? That discoloration? I don't know. I guess because
I think we're good.
I think we're good. Yeah, because
I
want to do this too.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
This right here. I think the paint will take care of it.
Yeah. All right. So let's see.
You know what I mean?
Never painted a car in my life, nor a house.
Yeah, I figured you'd be.
Yeah. Right.
You know.
I think that's why Nacho said, "Bro, come help me."
Yeah.
Probably like, yeah, you got this, bro. You know how to paint. I ain't freaking Nacho, bro. Yeah. All right. So let's see how we gonna do it. Where should I start first?
I would go
up here.
Yeah, I would go from the just a long fan, like a fan. Yep,
right,
like a fan.
Let's see how this. Let's see how this.
Let's see how it sprays first.
I'm so scared.
No, don't mess it up.
I don't even want to put it. All right, here we go. Hold on.
This is good. Oh,
bro,
I didn't see anything.
Is this working?
No,
is this water?
I don't know. Wait, huh? Can it be sprayed upside down? Is that the problem? Is it coming out? No?
Bro, I don't see nothing coming out.
Oh, hang on. Let me see.
We don't know what we're doing, guys.
I don't know.
Well,
see, it came out of here. Like, what? Why would it come out of here?
Oh. It was when you put it down.
When I tilted
yeah, when
like
you
that.
tilted it down, that's when it said poof.
Yeah, so I think it's not meant to go upside down.
Probably not.
But see, I'm not getting nothing.
Okay.
So with 45.
45-degree angle, guys.
Gloves. Took my gloves off.
All right, guys. So we learned that we have to use math skills. So I transferred it over to Nacho. Because we got to hold this bottle at 45-degree angles. I'm not good with angles. Yeah, that's 45.
Do you think we don't have enough in there? Should we pour more?
We can.
Okay. Blindness or no?
Maybe we can increase. Let's see here.
Oh yeah, that's better. Yeah, white strokes.
All right, so we're going with the airbrush kit.
The Prevails did not prevail. Oh wow, that's gonna take a couple coats.
I think we got it, guys.
We got it. And then let that dry.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, go ahead and start on this. Yeah, let me do some.
Go for it, bro.
This is really cool. So what's that? What's that right there? The this device?
That's for the condensation, for the moisture.
Oh, okay.
So it's pretty much like a small air compressor.
And should I be going the same way you were going?
However you want, bro.
Okay.
There we go. Once you get the rhythm, you'll be able to like just flow it, make it flow better. There you go.
I'd let that dry.
Mm-hmm. Maybe hit that bottom portion a little bit.
Hit that bottom?
Yeah, like a little bit on the edge of that other one. Yeah, right there. Bro, that looks good.
Oh, I got one. Hey, what the heck? Here you go.
Look at that. You just stick it in and remove. All you gotta do is stick it, twist it, and pull it. You know what I meant, right?
Yeah.
All right, and once we finish the dyeing process, as you guys can see, the seat looks amazing. I'm pretty much just cleaning up the perforated holes and removing any debris that they could have. Alrighty, guys. Unfortunately, I had to go because I had to pick up my son also from daycare. But I hope you guys kind of enjoyed a little bit of this process. And Nacho ended up delivering this vehicle, and as you guys saw on the video, it blended in nicely. Like, we transformed that stain that the customer had created, and she was happy. And I'm happy to say that Nacho actually got her booked for more services, and I believe even a ceramic coating. So congratulations to Nacho. Again, it was a pleasure meeting you, and I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of this process. Again, I apologize for not having the end result, but I'm happy to say that she was very happy, and Nacho even got himself a new customer. So thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. As always, God bless you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.